you guys, and welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to talk to y'all about this whole head wrap thing. It was requested to me, one of my friends, that some people that I know, and it was like, hey, I saw your hair in this cute hairstyle with your bangs hanging out, and I was wondering if you could show me the same thing. So I was like, all right, cool, I could definitely do that for you. But I did this one a little different, you know. You can still have your bangs out, but I swoop mine to the side, and then I pin it like right up over here. Other than that, my edge is out. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all the whole process. I did like 3 different wraps. Hopefully y'all like them with 2 different scarves. So yes, enjoy the clip.
She wants to be like them people on TV. She wants to look like them girls in the magazine. She got big dreams. She see herself on the big screen. She asks, do you love me? I say you're just right. Absolutely, I love you just the way you are, girl. You don't have to change, you don't have to do a thing, no, just the way you are, girl. If you put on a pound or if you take off a pound, ooh, just the way you are, girl. Wake up with no makeup when I break up, just the way you are, girl. In my eyes, you're a star, girl. Hey, she fit me, and she give me love plenty. Yeah, she authentic. This are the real thing, this are the plastic. See, I got big plans. Are you flipping my wife? I'm not your husband. She said, what is it you like about me? Mr. Woman, you're not fit, change nothing. I love you just the way you are, girl. You don't have to change, you don't have to do a thing, no, just the way you are, girl. If you put on a pound or if you take off a pound, babe, just the way you are, girl. Wake up with no makeup when I break up, just the way you are, girl. And in my eyes, you're a star, girl. Yeah. Oh, ooh, yeah. Hey, star girl. Shadow. Hey, sure. My girlfriend so classy, with the brains and the body of a champion. She a my Miss World, me a the Mr. Man, and she broader than a Kardashian. Me dey even watch TV. Inna me heart, me have a beauty queen. No man no lucky like me. I'm blessed to have you, my baby. I love you just the way you are, girl. You don't have to change.
Thank you so much, everybody, for watching. I really enjoy making these videos, and stay tuned for the next one because it's coming up soon. Right back at it.